little Molly Fitzbrown, and we are at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom. And today is not just any day, today is my birthday! So we are here for a birthday celebration. I gotta go get my button, and I cannot wait to see the Starlight Parade for the very first time. So I have been so excited to see that, so what better day than to come for my birthday. So we're ready to go see that, maybe do some rides, maybe see fireworks, and have a great birthday time.
We'll get some pins.
Definitely pens, you know me and this guy. So, all right, let's go have some birthday fun. And here is the poster for the new Starlight Parade. I love the artwork, it's so pretty. I can't wait to see the parade. So right now they do have the Halloween parties going on for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, but they still have parades on nights they do not have the party. So you have to look in advance and see, are they doing the Halloween party tonight or are they doing parades tonight? And we just happened to luck in that on my birthday, it was parade night. So I was like, okay, we're going for it. It was raining like most of the day earlier. It's 6:30 now. We just waited out the rain. It came after. Now we get cloud coverage, like not even that muggy, not even that hot. So super glad we waited for later in the day today. Now we're gonna hop in the shop and look for parade and Halloween merchandise. Let's go. First, I have to catch my first glimpse of the castle. There it is. Love the castle. Okay, we're hooking to the left. Okay, we have to stop and see the pens 1 second, and I see Halloween here in the middle. Oh yeah, they have the new reef one where it lights up. Oh, cool. Okay, so we have Little Witch Minnie, Sorcerer Witch Mickey, oh, I see Stitch, Goofy Donald Daisy, and this one, the light up one. Holy cow, that is pretty cool. But that's pretty wild that it lights up. Oh, we got a couple more down here. Oh, Muppets. And all of these guys. Pooh Bear. I see the new Starlight Parade merchandise. Now, sadly, they did just say they're sold out of the Starlight pens. I didn't get here fast enough for that, but they still got the ears and the shirt and a cool blanket and the magic wand down there. Okay, I found the main Halloween merchandise section. Oh, here's the new lounge fly bag. Looks like it's quilted, but it's not. And the wreaths, oh my goodness. Now you can have your own Mickey wreath. How cute is that? All right, he's adorable. I like these little ones too. Little light up ones, how cute. Okay, tons more over here. Oh, that hat is adorable. Oh, here's matching ears for the lounge fly bag. Wow. Oh, pumpkins galore. And then these new bags have been real popular of the different characters. We got Vampire Mickey. Okay, now we've got Crocs and the lug bag. Oh my goodness. The Mickey pumpkin is so cute. Okay, we got other ears and sweaters. More sweaters, shirts, bubble blowers and necklaces. Oh, and then there's some dolls back there. Let's go see the dolls. He's adorable. Okay, we have a Jack and Sally section over here as well. Oh, and the pumpkin ears. The pumpkin ears. Oh, they are just so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, how cute is that little squishy? And the Stitch. Oh, Stitch, you're so cute with his little goodie bag. Wow, they have a lot of stuff over here. I've seen stuff online, but I haven't seen everything before. Oh, and there's the Minnie on the right. She's all lit up. Oh, glow in the dark for the Pluto bones. Oh, look at this hat. And then plenty of Haunted Mansion merchandise as well. Oh my goodness, super fancy Starbucks mug. Look how cute that is with the Minnie pumpkin and the Mickey pumpkin. Hey, the old purple wall. That thing got some popularity for photos for quite a while. Alright, so we stopped at the entrance at the castle for some pictures after we did the shopping. And now we are heading back to Tomorrowland because I think I'm heading to Joffrey. So it's not a birthday without a Disney coffee. Gotta go there first. Okay, so I just remembered that I also brought my mic with me today. So hopefully I'm not screaming too loud now that I have the mic on because I'm used to yelling at the camera. But I was kind of wanting to test this out and see how it goes. I know DJI is actually set to release a new mic in the very near future that I'm kind of interested in getting. So I don't know, I don't really like wearing the mics all the time, but we'll see. If it sounds a lot better, maybe it's something I would start doing more. But I hear a dance party, so let's go check that out. Okay, looks like they're having a dance party for my birthday. Okay, so I got the pumpkin ice cold brew of sorts, and I taste the pumpkin-y, so. Okay, that's actually really good. I definitely do taste the pumpkin, but it's like pumpkin whipped cream. Okay, that is like pumpkin pie as whipped cream and topping. Okay, very good. Now I'm gonna drink down my birthday drink. Okay, so I just found the cutest Halloween Disney pin ever. The Mickey pumpkin head. Oh my gosh, he is so cute. Logan had to get him too, of course. We did not see him on the way in, so found this next to the Joffreys. I am so excited. So that's the pin I'm picking out for the day. I know Patrick and Logan wanted to pick me out pins as well as a birthday present, so we'll see what they get. Okay, so I was at the stand buying a pretzel for Patrick to try, and I got gifted a birthday cupcake. My very first time. Somebody surprised me and said, "Happy birthday, Mama," and gave me the cupcake. So, all right, cupcake time. Yay! Man, I love this side view of the castle over here. All right, we are on our way to go find a spot for the parade. We have less than 1 hour now till the parade starts, so we're gonna have to find a good spot. All right, so we are right in front of the Country Bear Jamboree, and we have picked our spot, so we are waiting for the parade to begin. I have on my cool flashy bracelet. I got it at Typhoon Lagoon when we were there for the water park day, so all right, I am so excited. I cannot wait for this to start now. It's almost time! Just a few minutes!
Dream the Night Away will begin!
Why, hello there. Come with me and dream the night away. The best time to dream, don't you think? It feels like we can touch the stars.
Whoa, look at these people!
Valentino.
You see it too?
Hey guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? There's a lot of people looking at me, and it's freaking me out.
It's like they just woke up from a dream. Picture me down there. Can't wait to tell Mama Boo about our adventure. The street lamps look like stars. Peter, do you think all those people can hear us?
Only one way to find out. There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right, and straight on till north.
It's a dream to be up here among the stars.
Look at the colors change!
Oh, it's so magical!
Oh, look at that light up color on Pluto! Cute!
Come on, everybody. Wish on a star.
I wish that this night would never end!
Boy, a train ride through the stars with all our friends.
Okay, that's the end of it. That was amazing. All right, so I absolutely loved that parade. Wasn't that incredible?
Yeah, that was probably the coolest Disney parade I've ever seen.
But now fireworks start in 17 minutes and we are already here, and I love Happily Ever After, so I cannot wait to end my birthday with Happily Ever After. And then a little shopping on the way out, right? Okay, here we go. Let's go see if we can find a spot. It's gonna be crowded already. We're close. This way. All lit up. It's your pin. Ha ha. Now it goes. You ready?
our journey comes to an end, reach out and find your happily ever after.
We all have the courage to fly. We can fly. Come on. Come on, team. Woo! There she goes. You see her? Woo! See you real soon, or see ya real soon. I think we are taking ferry boat back. Up, ferry boats this way. Logan picked out a pen. Okay, I'll have to see what it is maybe when we get on the boat.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, another one. Just over 400. Oh my goodness, it's King Triton. Look, being pulled by the seahorse. So we are heading out to the car. I had a wonderful birthday trip. Absolutely loved the parade. Loved the fireworks at the end. So you may have noticed Logan has on a new hat tonight. So this is one of my super cool prizes that I got in my Walt Life box. So if you've never heard of them, they are a subscription box that sends you super cool mystery Disney boxes straight to your door. So if you can't come ride the tram into Magic Kingdom, you can sign up for their subscription and you will get super cool Disney stuff delivered right to your door. Oh my goodness, the tram guy was singing. That was pretty funny. I also forgot to mention that I did get 2 super cute pens from the boys for my birthday. They always like to pick out a pen for me for my pen collection whenever I am here for my birthday. So see you next time real soon. Thanks for joining us on our magical adventures.